If Canva video is not working for you, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. Whether your video is stuck loading, won't play, freezes, or just refuses to respond, these steps can help you get Canva running smoothly again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. Let's start with the simplest solution first. Refresh the page. Sometimes Canva just needs a quick reload to clear a temporary glitch. On Windows or Chrome, you can press Ctrl+R to refresh the page. If you're on a Mac, use Command+R. After refreshing, give Canva a moment to reload and check whether the video starts working again. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing to check is your internet speed. Canva videos rely on a stable connection, so if your internet is slow or unstable, the video may not play properly. Open a new tab, search for speed test, and run a speed test using any trusted website. If your connection is weak, try switching to a stronger network, restarting your router, or disconnecting other devices that may be using too much bandwidth. Now let's move on to one of the most common fixes, clearing your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores temporary files that can cause Canva to load incorrectly or stop videos from working. To do this, open your browser menu by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Settings, select Privacy, and look for Clear Browsing Data. In the options, make sure Cached Images and Files is selected, then click Clear. Once the cache is cleared, reopen Canva and test the video again. If Canva still isn't working, browser extensions may be the problem. Ad blockers and other extensions can sometimes interfere with Canva's video editor or playback. To check this, click the browser menu again, go to Extensions, then open Manage Extensions. From there, temporarily turn off any ad blockers, script blockers, or other extensions that might be affecting Canva. After disabling them, refresh Canva and see if the video starts working properly. If the issue is still there, try opening Canva in a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Edge. If you're using Edge, try Chrome. Sometimes the problem is not Canva itself, but a browser-specific issue. Using a different browser can help you confirm whether the issue is with your current browser setup or with Canva. After trying each step, go back to Canva and test the video again. In many cases, one of these simple fixes will solve the issue without needing anything complicated. The key is to start with refresh, then check your internet, clear the cache, disable extensions, and finally test another browser if needed. If your Canva video is still not working after all of that, it may help to log out and back in, or wait a little while in case Canva is experiencing a temporary outage. But for most users, the steps in this video should fix the problem quickly. If this guide helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and easy fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.